Hi, this is HTC U12 Plus and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. First, hold for a while the application to another one, and by this way we just successfully created a new home screen folder. Just if you want, you could rename the folder just by click on the name. So enter the apps, for example. To move folder on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold and drag it. If you want to remove application from the folder, you should hold and drag it to the home screen. If you want to stay with this application on the home screen, you could also remove application from the folder. Just move it to remove icon, but don't worry, you'll stay with this application in the apps menu. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.